We shall work out one more problem based on relational operators and the conditional statement. So here write flowchart and a Python program to enter a number and find out whether it is divisible by 5. If not, display the next number which is divisible by 5. Of course, all of us know if I ask, for example, 20, immediately you are going to answer and say 20 is divisible by 5. Or 23, you are going to say, oh no, it is not divisible by 5. Next number is 25. But I've seen many times people, of course, give the answer, but I ask them to write a program or flowchart to do that. They find it difficult, unfortunately, because they are not able to think clearly. So we have to therefore go step by step and find out how we are going to find out the next number which is divisible by 5 or the earlier number which is divisible by 5. Let us work on that. First, let us write this chart, which is very, very important. Only from the chart you are able to answer or get an algorithm to do this job. So let us see, we'll take 20. So I find the modulus or the remainder r is equal to number modulus 5. Earlier we have done number modulus 2 to find out whether the number is even or odd. So as you see here, it is 0. Therefore, there is no previous number, there is no next number. So if it is 21, then 1 is the remainder. What is the previous number? Is 20. What is the next number? Is equal to 25. So please note that. Just look at it. How you and ask this question, how you get to 20 and how you get 25. Similarly here 24. 4 is the remainder. So earlier number is 25. 20 which is divisible by 5. Next number is 25. So how do you get is the question. So that we have to work out. Just by looking at this chart, you are going to get the answer. So let us see. So as you see here, how do I get 25? 21 minus remainder plus 5. So here 23 minus 3 plus 5. So 24 minus 4 plus 5. Therefore the general formula, what is the general formula? General formula, as you see, take that number minus, what is the 1, 3, 4? They are nothing but the remainder. You deduct that and add 5. So this becomes the formula to find out the next number which is divisible by 5. If it was the previous number, you would have just deducted the remainder. You don't have to add 5. Just that would give you the previous number. So we have got the chart, we have understood, we have got a formula now to find out the next number. We shall write the flow chart and the Python program. So let us say flow chart. So input number, I have to input that number. These are the variables. So then I say R is equal to number modulus 5. So I get the remainder. Then if I remainder, naturally, if R is equal to 0, then you know it is divisible by 5. Very simple. But if it is R is not equal to 0, it may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4. One of these numbers. So then you say it is not divisible by 5. How do I get the next number? You already have the formula. Therefore, next number is the number minus remainder plus 5. And then you print that number and join this backbone of my flowchart and you come to the end of the program. Therefore, flowchart is a very, very important tool at the beginning. When you start your programming, you have to use flowchart to analyze program. Now it is very easy. Now you know you have got each one. You have to input a number, you have to find the remainder and ask this question. If it's equal to 0, you do this, else you do that. So that is the thing. As you see here, input number here, number, input, convert to integer. So there you have remainder r is equal to, then you say if r is equal to 0 colon, you print the number is not divisible, is divisible by 5. Else, again you indent, please note, is not divisible by 5. The number is not. Then you find out the next number and display. For example, here I have got examples here. Enter 23. I said 23 is not divisible by 5. Next number which is divisible by 5 is 25. So again enter number 40. So 40 is divisible by 5. Entered 44. 44 is not divisible by 5. What is the next number? Is 45. So this is the answer from this simple Python program to help you understand relational operators and the conditional statement called else, if else, that's all, either or. So you're choosing between two options. Thank you.